today I want to talk to you about a common question that we've gotten, and specifically, actually, Valerie recently asked us. She said, how do I actually implement these Facebook ads? She says, I bought courses and ended up all of the concepts and no implementation. One of the things that I like to do is just to keep it very, very simple. When you're starting out, there's no reason to buy expensive courses that are complex for experienced digital marketers. You do want to buy, or you do want to consider who the audience is that you're trying to target and what you're trying to accomplish with that. Some people will launch a campaign or boost a post on their Facebook page, and at the end of the day, they don't really know what it did for them, right? People might have engaged with it, people may have clicked or commented on that, but if it didn't do something important for your nonprofit, then really probably wasn't a good use of the funds. An example of what would be a good use of those funds is to try to generate email addresses, to encourage donations, or potentially to even encourage maybe a purchase of a product or service that you have. That could be a merchandise item, that could be something that you provide folks with and the people that you serve. That could be something like that. So when you're targeting people who are interested in your specific ad or offering, you want to think about what makes that person up. Are they someone who gets up in the morning and has a cup of coffee? Are they driving a Ford Expedition or a Porsche Cayenne, right? What type of person are they, so that you can go into Facebook ads and target those specific people. Now, it is hard. This is a lot of information for you. There's not a lot of application here in this video itself. However, I do have a number of resources and a number of YouTube videos as well that dive into the details of this and actually show you some background on how to use these campaigns. I'd recommend you going to our YouTube channel. It's our parent company, Cone Creative's YouTube. You can search for that and you'll be able to find videos and resources for you there as well. But I hope this was at least helpful to get started.